Delhi hospitals will be reserved for Delhi residents only. Quoting the expert committee report, Delhi Chief Minister says that Delhi will need 15,000 beds by the end of June. Delhi currently has 10,000 beds. This has prompted Delhi government to announce that all Delhi government hospitals and all private hospitals, barring the specialized hospitals, will treat only Delhi patients. He also announced that Delhi borders are being opened.
दिल्ली में इस वक्त कोरोना के केसेस बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ रहे हैं और जून के अंत तक दिल्ली को लगभग 15,000 बेड्स की ज़रूरत होगी। ये कहाँ से आएंगे? तो इसीलिए उनका ये सुझाव है कि दिल्ली के सारे अस्पताल केवल दिल्ली के लोगों के लिए कुछ महीनों के लिए होने चाहिए और दिल्ली के अस्पतालों को पूरे देश के लोगों के लिए फिलहाल नहीं खोलना चाहिए। कि हमें एक संतुलन बनाने की ज़रूरत है। दिल्ली सरकार में 10,000 बेड है, केंद्र सरकार में भी 10,000 बेड है। तो एक तरफ कल से हम बॉर्डर्स खोल देते हैं। बॉर्डर्स को खोलने के बाद दिल्ली सरकार के जो 10,000 दिल्ली सरकार के जो अस्पताल हैं, वो अस्पताल केवल दिल्ली के लोगों के लिए रिजर्व होने चाहिए। एक और चीज है, कल से दिल्ली के बॉर्डर्स खोले जा रहे हैं। एक हफ्ता पहले हमने दिल्ली के बॉर्डर्स सील किए थे, इसलिए क्योंकि हमें ये लग रहा था कि अगर बॉर्डर्स खोल दिए तो देश भर से जो मरीज आएंगे और दिल्ली के अस्पतालों में इलाज कराएंगे, उससे दिल्ली के अस्पताल अभी जो कोरोना का इलाज कर रहे हैं, क्या उसको बर्दाश्त कर पाएंगे, क्या उस बर्डन को बर्दाश्त कर पाएंगे। इस वजह से बॉर्डर्स को सील किया गया था। कल से दिल्ली के बॉर्डर्स को खोला जा रहा है।
What you need to understand is that Delhi infrastructure, Delhi hospital infrastructure under normal circumstances caters to the whole country. At any given point of time, almost 70 to 80% of patients in Delhi hospitals, central government hospitals, Delhi private hospitals are all coming from across the country. And Delhi is always ready to bear the burden of it. But I think Corona has caused very exceptional circumstances. Delhi government is prepared for the number of beds that are required for COVID patients for Delhi projections. But the problem basically is that if we were to open our hospitals for the entire country, within 2 to 3 days, all our beds and all our facilities would be full. And so I think that this is not a permanent measure. This is only as far as Corona is concerned. And I think that I hope that Haryana and Uttar Pradesh, which are some of the neighboring states, as all other states, I'm sure they would have used the last 2 months of the lockdown to actually prepare their hospital infrastructure.
Now, the AIIMS director, Dr. Randeep Guleria, when asked about the idea of Delhi hospitals for only Delhi residents before this announcement was made, said it was unethical.
Dr. Guleria, the Delhi government has decided to close its borders for the rest of the country. They're doing this on a trial basis as of now. AIIMS is an all-India facility. What do you make of this idea of Delhi hospitals only for people of Delhi?
So I think, if you have a sick patient, and we always talk of NCR, which includes cities in the neighboring states also. And also I think that we should not deny health care or health facilities if anyone needs it, even if he's from neighboring areas where that type of facility may not be available. They're all Indian citizens, we are one country, and therefore it becomes important that we try and support each other as much as possible. And I think in my mind, as far as medicine is concerned, as far as ethics is concerned, these are arbitrary barriers. If I have a sick patient who's coming from even, let's say, Bihar, it's not ethically right to refuse him when he's come all the way and he's very critically ill.